I think so far the impact has been relatively muted. I think our stock market's gone down less than Asian markets. So, this is a drama that's going to play out for some time. And, the impact on our markets are, as I said, we are well protected in at least three ways. I think we have our macroeconomic situation is much more stable. And we have reserves. And above all, I think we are an economy that is still a very attractive investment destination relative to many other economies. So I think we're relatively well insulated. Now, as for the crisis itself, it's going to be long and prolonged. Tomorrow there's a big meeting of the German and French heads of state. So let's see how now it's up to Europe to respond to what the Greek voters have told them.
So one quick question on the capital inflow-outflow situation. So basically, India is not really affected by that, right, so to speak. CA speaking right now, I hope we are live.
Yeah, at the moment, the rupee's kind of treading water. It's nothing big, and stock market down by, latest I checked, 0.7%. That's
so if at all you expect any sort of impact, what could it be on what?
On the currency, especially.
Whether it be on the currency
on the rupee.
Mostly, in these situations, what happens is that typically there's a flight to dollars, right, to a safe haven, and to that extent, the rupee might also be affected by that. But nothing that's unusual at all so far.
So in terms of interest rates,
range bound, euro rates,
sorry.
So in terms of the ECB raising rates, perhaps in context of a possible Greece exit, is that a possibility you see? Or the Fed hikes, how quickly could that activate?
No, I think that this is now going to play out. Financial markets are going to be volatile, and both the ECB and the US Fed will have to take this into account when they planning their next decisions. I think that all countries will have to take into account what's happening and ensure that there are no spillovers. In the case of Europe, there'll be a big desire to ensure that the volatility is limited and contagion doesn't spread.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.